Hello, welcome to this video. In the last video, we discussed and implemented a solution to create a custom base of our own. And in this video, we shall walk through line by line and see what's happening and how the output is getting obtained. We shall add a breakpoint at line 58 and run the code. And this is going to enter the debugger mode. Okay. Now, we are calling combine both function and passing it 255 as the first argument and 16 as the second argument. Now, instead of combine both, number is 255 and base as the value 16 and char map as the value 0, 1, 2 and up to z. And char map here is from 0 to z. Okay. And if we are checking if base is less than 2 or it's greater than 36. In our case, the base is 16, so this block won't run. And now we are assign a value. We are checking if the number is less than 0 or greater than 0. If it's less than 0, we are assigning it -1. But in our case, the number is 255, so we'll be assigning number 1 to it. So sign as positive. So number into 1 will get 255. Now we are in the digits line. We are in the from decimal function. Now when I step through the code, it goes into the from decimal function. Now the value of n is 255 and value of b is 16. The digits is undefined. Now we are checking if b is less than 2. This block of code won't execute. So now we go to the next block where we check if the number is less than 0 or greater than 0. This block won't execute. Now now we are checking if the number is equal to 0 or not. This won't run either. So we are going to the 14th line. Now the digits is undefined because we are declaring digits but we are not assigning it anything. In the next line we are assigning it an empty array. So digits becomes empty array. Now we are checking if the value of n is greater than 0. N is 255 in our case. So this gives us the truthy value. So this block of code runs. That is the inside of the while loop code runs. Now the value of n is 255, and when we are when we are applying the modulo operator for n 255 and b which is 16, we get the modulus value as 15. Now we are flooring it down and we are dividing n divided by b, that is the numerator with base, and we get n as 15. Now we are inserting the value of m into the array. Now digits becomes 15. Now we are checking if the value of n is greater than 0 or not. Here n is 15. So this block becomes true. So we get a truthy value and the block executes. The same thing happens when we run the code. We get m as 15, n becomes 15, and we are inserting it into the digits array in the first place. So we get 15 again. Now n is equal to 0. This code won't run. So we are returning the digits and we go back to this line, which is 59. Let's see. So I'm running. We are returning the digits. We are in the line 22, and after that we are going back to the line 59. Here digits is 15, 15, and number is 255, base is 16. Now we enter the encoding function. We are passing in the arguments digits, which is 15 array of 15, 15, and the character map, which is 0 to 9 and A to Z. Okay. Now we are stepping through, and now we are inside the function encoding. We can see that the digits as an array of 15, 15, and the character map of 0 to Z. Now we are encoding as a variable encoding as an empty string as value. Now we are checking if the digits dot length is greater than character map dot length. If this block is true, we return character map is not long enough, but this is false, so we enter the for loop. Okay, here digits is 15, 15. You can see here digits is 15, 15. Now we are looping over that array. So D is 15 now. That is the first value. And when we loop over it, we can see that one second, encoding becomes F because we are finding out the value at the 15th position, and when the value is 15 in the 15th position. Now again we are inside of the for loop, and the second value is 15 as well. So the encoding gets an additional F, that is FF. Now what happens is we return encoding and we go back to line 61. We are checking if the sign is negative or not. In our case, the sign was 1. So this block of code won't execute and we return the encode value. And after we return the encode value, we console log the output. And when we see the console log, when we see the output, one second. Okay, I screwed it up. Let me close it. Okay. Okay, my system has hanged, but you get the idea. The output we get is FF. Now, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.